All throughout Minnesota, natural resource agencies and partners are doing important stream connectivity and infrastructure work by replacing undersized culverts. That work is already benefiting fish and preventing damage to roads and property.
So for the last couple dozen years, this crossing was undersized and perched, meaning that fish could not migrate upstream. There was a barrier of at least a foot or two, especially in low flows and in the drought years that we've had recently, which kept them from migrating upstream. And so in order to promote climate resilience, what we've been doing is trying to open up these perched culverts and reconnect the stream going through them so that way fish can move up into the colder headwater tributaries where they like to spawn.
So the importance of opening these culverts is it provides access to miles of cold water habitat. Brook trout are a very thermal sensitive species, meaning they need really cold water to do well and survive. Brook trout are really a keystone species to the cold water ecosystems, but also by providing this connectivity, brook trout benefits all cold water species. So by maintaining access to the most resilient watersheds that have the current cold water and predicted cold water is really key to keeping brook trout and other cold water species on the landscape. Brook trout, when they went to migrate upstream, had a complete barrier. As you can see behind us, this bottomless arch culvert allows for sediment transport and a natural stream bottom, and that allows for 100% passage throughout the year. And it also, for the local road authorities and economies, it keeps these culverts a lot more resilient to large events. And so where this road was closed for several weeks last year with a large event, this year when the large event occurred, it remained open. So there's a big emphasis on infrastructure security by using these larger, naturally geomorphic placed culverts.